Today, I'll show you how to create RevOps reports in HubSpot. If you're looking to streamline your reporting process and get valuable insights into your revenue operations, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk through using HubSpot's tools to generate comprehensive reports that can help you make data-driven decisions. To get started, navigate to the reporting section in HubSpot by hovering over the main menu. From there, select Reports and then click on Create Report. This is your starting point for building any kind of report you need. The interface is user-friendly, so don't worry if you're new to it. Each step is intuitive and geared toward helping you get the insights you need. Once you're in the Create Report section, you'll want to make use of the Breeze Assistant for reporting. This is an incredibly helpful tool within HubSpot that simplifies the process of crafting complex reports. It's designed to save you time and effort so you can focus more on analyzing the data rather than getting bogged down in creating the report itself. Next, you'll want to type in your specific request. For this example, let's enter "Show me all open deals in stage 3 or later, grouped by REPI with their last activity date and total contact engagements." This request is specific enough to give you a detailed look at your sales pipeline, yet broad enough to provide a comprehensive view of your team's performance. As you input your request, Breeze will automatically start working in the background. It takes your instructions and begins to build the logic needed to pull the right data. Breeze efficiently joins the necessary objects and creates the visualization for you. This means you don't have to manually sort through data or worry about whether you're capturing all the necessary details. It's all done for you in a matter of seconds. The result is a visual report that clearly displays all open deals in stage 3 or later. It's organized by each sales representative, showing their last activity date and total contact engagements. This visualization can provide you with quick insights into how your team is performing and where there might be opportunities for improvement. You can easily identify reps who are closing deals effectively and those who might need more support or resources. A tip to enhance your report is to customize the visualization further by using the available filters and settings. Adjust the time frames, add additional metrics, or refine the grouping to better suit your needs. This flexibility ensures that you can tailor the report to match your specific business requirements and objectives. In conclusion, using HubSpot's Breeze Assistant for reporting makes creating RevOps reports straightforward and efficient. By automating much of the process, you can focus on analyzing data rather than on the mechanics of report creation. This quick tutorial should empower you to leverage HubSpot's tools effectively, enabling you to make insightful data-driven decisions that can positively impact your business's revenue operations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore more HubSpot features to maximize your productivity and insights.